Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put your video on a laptop using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create a new project on InShot. I'm going to select video and then I'm going to select new. And then you can choose your video you want to put on a laptop. Wait guys, I'm still choosing my video. For example, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to put this video on a laptop frame. I'm going to click on this check mark to add this video to my project. And wait, I'm going to change the canvas to 16 by 9. Alright, and now it's time to put a laptop frame to our project. I'm going to click on PIP and then we can go to the InShot material to get the laptop frame. You can select the picture category. Then here you just need to scroll down until you find laptop frame for your video. Okay, this one guys, this is the laptop frame and I'm going to add this frame to my project. Make sure you have good internet connection to download this frame. Okay, and here we just need to zoom in to fit the screen. And I'm going to extend the frame to make it align with my video. Okay, and this is the result. If you want to adjust your video, you just need to go to the PIP. Okay, and then you will be able to zoom in or zoom out like this to adjust your video. Okay, and this is the final result. As you can see that my video is in the laptop frame right now, and then you can continue the editing. You can add text, effect, or maybe sticker to your video to make it more captivating. And then once you're ready to save this video, you can click on export menu and then you can select the resolution and then simply click on export to save the video to your device. Okay, now the video is being exported and you can check it in your gallery to see the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put your video on a laptop using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.